Hello, bonjour. We got our first French baguette. We are currently waiting for a taxi.
Speaking about it.
Hello, sorry for the abrupt interruption. Our taxi was here. But yeah, we're at the beach. The dog-friendly beach. Well, yeah. Getting to the dog-friendly beach. You guys like my baguette? Woohoo, we're here.
Yeah, we found it. The correct one.
Yeah, the correct one. This is the only beach that allows dogs. Sometimes it's called Lantern Beach. Yeah, but if you look it up in Google Maps, it's called that.
Called that. Yeah, called that.
Let's go! We made it! Bibingka, look! Take a look! We're gonna try to get her used to the water first and then see if she actually, yeah. Oh, she doesn't like it. Oh. Oh, okay. Are you okay? You don't like it? Oh. Are you okay?
No. I was tired. The waves pull you in and then they push you out.
What's that mean for water? Oh shit.
I was gonna go swim out there, but I saw a jellyfish. I wasn't trying to get stung.
What's that, Bibingka? He's talking to the water. She's growling.
Is she?
Yeah. Why are you growling, huh?
So you see all that drift right there?
Yeah.
To the very right of it, there's just this jellyfish just hanging out right there. At first I thought it was just, you know, debris.
Uh-huh.
But then I saw this motion. And I was like, oh hell no! The last thing I need is someone to be pissing on my leg or something.
Does that actually work?
There's a certain chemical in it that supposedly helps, but it's not potent enough.
Oh, okay.
It's more of, what's that thing called when people say it works, so it tricks your mind thinking it works?
Placebo?
Yeah, whatever that is.
Why are you growling?
Are you jealous, huh?
Are you jealous because he's more brave than you are?
If I can figure out how to use the train today, then from the airport... Oh, hold on, I'm not flexing.
Oh my god.
From the airport... from the airport, then we can just come back to the beach after we check in our bags, if they let us. If not, then we're just gonna stick by the airport, go to the mall there, or let's see what's nearby the airport. Let's see.
Let's see. Oh my god. Oh, she's so crazy.
Alright, what are you recording for?
You said you had something to say.
Yeah! From yesterday. Let me just turn my phone off so I'm not using all my data. So, y'all remember yesterday how we ate at this seafood place? What was it called, baby? Seafood Puede?
I don't remember, but they had a big plate of, big plate of paella.
Yeah. All I know is I wanted to get some paella, and for those of you who have tried it before at, you know, any kind of restaurant, it's a decent size. You can share it for two, and it's like usually maybe at most 20 euros. I asked if you could share it between just for one person, because it's 55 euros per person that shares the plate. So we were looking at spending 110 euros just for one regular plate of paella.
Yeah, like
and
one portion of, like, you know that cast iron pan? That's how big it is.
Yeah. But why 55 euros? Yeah. I mean, I understand. Yeah, it had scallops and stuff on it, but
and we're not in Spain, so yeah.
Or anywhere. But we're on a coastline. It's not that hard for you to find quality fish here, or just seafood in general. Yeah. There's quality food. I guess you pay what you get, or you pay for quality.
We're frugal Asians. That was an expensive meal for us. This clip is this clip is too long. Okay, later. Yeah. Frugal Asians.
Frugal Asians.
Yeah, that was the point of this clip. We're frugal Asians. Hello, we we are done with the beach for now.
For now, we'll come back.
Yeah, we'll come back. We're hungry, so we're gonna go look for food.
Oh, wait, is there something you want me to bring the data up so we can look?
Yeah. So we're gonna take a train to try to get back to Old Town because there's not a lot of eateries open in this area. Yeah. Taking a train again. Tram, right?
Tram.
Not train. Yeah.
That's not a hole, by the way.
Hello. Are you okay? You look tired.
I feel ashy, dry.
Yeah, that salt water gave my body a weird feeling. Maybe we should have rinsed off.
Pretty sure we did. I didn't think about it until after we got dressed, and I was like,
I don't want to undress.
It's too late now.
Yeah.
We spent an hour drying.
Here's our view.
Hey, how many?
Yeah, here. She jumped on my lap.
That's good. Bibingka. Oh, she can't listen. I think she's fascinated by the fountain right now.
Drinking rosé again. I'm gonna wait till my food comes to drink that. Of course, bread. All right. This is stewed beef with gnocchi, and Nina just got a bunch of these specialties. This is finally trying French food. Bibingka, what are you doing? Why are you over there? All right, let's eat.
I think that's it. Hold on.
Is zucchini?
Something.
Yeah, it's zucchini. I got creme brulee and then I got pistachio this time.
That's right, diabetes.
More sugar. Oh, I can taste the granules. How do you say that word?
Gradual?
Yeah, the sugar particles.
Huh?
The alleyways are so interesting.
Huh?
They intrigue me, the alleyways.
What about the alleys back at home?
No. you don't want to go to alleyways in Vallejo. Yeah, we're from Vallejo.
Anywhere in the Bay Area.
Yeah, don't go in alleyways in the Bay Area. All right, going in and go. Hey. Oh, look at her squat. That's such an achievement.
She's been. Whenever I'd go to fake grass, she'd go try to pee at the stores. I was just like, no, Bibingka, that's not real grass. Don't do it.
Hello, we are back at the beach. We're just gonna chill here for a while. Sorry, it's loud. There's children.
Yeah, they just came in front of us. Not literally. Weird people.
Yeah, well, there's children in front of us. Anyway, we're at the beach. We're just gonna chill here for a while. So we'll see you at dinner time.
Huh?
Yeah.
What's for dinner?
I don't know. We don't know yet.
I'll tell you what, the most American thing you can eat while overseas. Not McDonald's, by the way.
He wants to go to Hard Rock, but we'll see.
Yeah, piss people off.
Anyways, we'll see you at dinner. Later. I finally bought something, but only because I'm cold and I don't have a jacket.
Yeah, she got cold in Nice. How?
Alright, food. Looking for food.
Yeah, Hard Rock, here we go.
Oh my goodness, we are like nowhere near Hard Rock.
We're still trying to troll these people. I know we haven't went left or right yet.
You want to check it out?
It's up to you.
Okay, yeah, we can. Hello, we are eating dinner now. We are currently at Campo di Fiori. I am having minestrone soup and is having a mixture of Nice specialties. Yeah, we're on the same strip as that seafood restaurant that we ate yesterday, but this place doesn't have ridiculous prices like the other one. Ninden's gonna try steak tartare again.
I'm not gonna try it, I'm gonna eat it. I ain't no wuss.
Well, this time it comes with French fries, so he has that buffer.
Well, they gave us bread last time.
Yeah, but we ate it.
That's the point of food. You eat it.
No, like we ate it without it.
I got this.
Okay. Yum. No, look at those leaves.
Look at those leaves. We gotta make it look fancy.
Why does it smell like stir fry? Well, it is called Walk of the Sea. Hey, I got rice.
Go down.
Hey, down.
No. Go down.
Hello, we're back in our Airbnb. Very tired. Yeah. So tomorrow is today was our last full day in Nice. So tomorrow we're flying back to Germany. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.